Hi, hello friends, welcome to Dr. G's Simple Videshi Kitchen. Today we are going to show how to make the yummy tango mango rice. To make mango rice sufficient for 4 people, we would need the following ingredients. First of all, we would need one large size raw mango. Peel the skin of the raw mango and grate it and keep it in a cup. We would also need 200 gram of rice cooked and cooled for at least 2 hours. To make the mango concentrate for the mango rice, we would need cooking oil, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, hing or asafoetida, finely chopped green chilies 2 numbers, 3 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 bowl of medium-sized chopped onions, finely chopped coriander, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Let's get started and make the mango rice. First, let's turn the hob on and heat a kadai. Once the kadai is heated up, let's add 6 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to get heated. Once the oil is heated, let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to crackle and then let's add 2 teaspoons of chana dal and then add 2 teaspoons of urad dal. Now let's add our 8 to 10 curry leaves. I have used the dried curry leaves. A pinch of hing or asafoetida and give it a small stir. And now let's add the peanuts. Roast for a minute for the peanuts to change their color and then add the finely chopped green chilies. Now keep roasting till the peanuts become golden brown in color, and now let's add the onions. Stir it for a minute. Now after that, let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. So the onions are half done now. Now let's add the grated raw mango. At this point, stir this well so that it mixes well with the onions and the peanuts and everything else. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt out here and mix it well. Please note friends, this is going to take at least 3 minutes for the concentrate to be cooked. After 3 minutes, the concentrate is done and now let's add the rice. Also, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt over here and mix this with the concentrate. Break the rice well so that it mixes with the concentrate. Let's add the finely chopped coriander and mix well. Now our tangy, yummy mango rice is ready to be enjoyed, friends. Try our recipe of making mango rice and enjoy the yummy tango mango rice. Do leave your feedback in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.